Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the shadow box knot. Let's go ahead and get started. It's going to take 2 ties. This is my left side, as usual, is at the belt line. So where it comes to. So we're going to fold both of these ties in half, bring them over to the center, and we're going to bring it up and over like this. Now I got a skinny tie and on the very top, and then a pretty thin tie, but a little bit wider behind it. So there you go. I'm using a black and a red. Colors don't really matter. I think that's just 2 I picked. So I'm going to bring both of them around like this, straight, and then I'm going to come down like this with both of them. Okay, like this. Then we're going to come down like this. Now, the black one is just going to be there for effect. The main one here is the bottom one, the red one. So I'm going to come across like so, fold it in half, come across like so, come down like this, and then I'm going to come up and up through this. It's still folded in half the whole way. So there we have that. Alright, so there's the box right there. Boom, boom, boom. So then the black one, I'm just going to fold it in half. Like so, out here. And then just going to come over the top like that. I'm trying to get the light to where you can see it. And then we're going to kind of mirror what we did with the red one. We're going to come down around, fold it in half, and then we're going to come through like so, like that. Let me put my collar down. So there you have it again. The main focus. I did pick the black tie to kind of add that shadow effect. The main focus here is whatever the bottom tie is the highlight tie. And then the black one is going to go over and add the shadow. So that's basically all the black one is there for, even though it is on the top. That's what it's there for. So again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Let me put my tie clip on here. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Peace and God bless.